We're going to Abu Dhabi Airport. Hi, Ate Jen.
Hello, good morning. Excited na kami.
Yes. Time check 5:03.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I got no money, like it or not, I'm funny. Still in searching of my destination. I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer is my reputation. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story if you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. If you wanna be my midnight mover. I know you're busy.
Hindi ko naman baboy ang kakainin yun. Parang sabi niya, so excited for the mamoy. Thank you, tita.
Ako na isa na. Thank you. One dinar? Oh, yan natin, one dinar. Yung 0.6 lang, hindi ko alam yung 0.6. Ano ba yung
Patingin nga niyan, ma'am. Ano yan?
Yung mga coins. Yung kanina, coins. Ate, ano mga kalimang
Yes! Dumayo kami sabay for KFC.
Nakasip mo na? Hindi ko makita kasi nakalaka.
Hindi tayo nag-pray sa airport. Tara, let's pray.
Ganda.
Welcome.
Ano masabi mo, Raymond? Wow.
On the spot. Can we ask for water?
Yeah. Medyo mahabang ano lang. Lakbayin. Pero,
Hi vlog.
ayun
Hi
o.
vlog.
Lupit
Welcome to
na.
my
Ito yung mga
guys.
malulupit namin. So, ayun na. Ganda. Oo, ganda. Ganda ba? Ganda. Good evening. So, we're here sa Bahrain. Yes. At, yeah. Meron kaming grand rehearsal.
Yeah, tech run.
Tech run.
Final one.
Final one for tomorrow's Live Catholic. So, yan. Part kami ng music ni Bro Raymond, si Casey. Busy na siya. Ayan. Tapos the rest of the band.
Yeah.
Yan, yun yung creatives. Woo! Yan. So, we're so excited for tomorrow. For the Lord. For the Lord.
Ganda ng lighting dito.
Ganda. Dito tayo. Mapunti tayo dito. Ayan. Excited. Sa soup nga, busog na ako eh. Anong soup to? Ay, wala na. po ba? Galing oh, grabe oh.
Nagluluto.
Ang luto na oh. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide, in it slow. Take a look at the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it twirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope. Sit down.
Welcome po ba rin?
Yes.
Ay, kala ko. Second day. Woo! Duday, hi ka! Hi! Woo! Gitna pa. Oh, sige. Tulad ko. Yarn. Okay. Ayan, dito na po kami. Dito ng conference.
Welcome to Cathedral of Cathedral of
Cathedral of Tisa Diaries, hindi.
Lady. Ano nga? Our Lady of Arabia.
Our Lady of Arabia.
Hi po. Welcome to Our Lady of
Bahrain.
Arabia.
Actually, we're here to glorify God. Yeah, tama naman. Yan, dapat talaga ganun.
Tagal yung jacket.
Ay, pala. Ito, na-capture na, oh. Hanggang ano, oh. Ang cute. Welcome to Bahrain. Woo! And we're done na. Hindi ko dala yung DJI ko. We're done na. Woo! Vlog talaga.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yes!
Say hi to my vlog. Oh. Say hi to my vlog.
Iba-ibang vlog. Woo!
Welcome back to our vlog. This is the end of day 2.
Just sing along. Alright.
Alright. Eat for chicken.
Hi, vlog. Welcome to
Bab Al Bahrain. So time check out. Ano oras na ba? Tingnan. It's 8 o'clock. So yun. Mimili lang kami ng pasalubong. So girls, ano na mga nabili niyo?
May nabili akong pagmamahal.
As usual.
Ano yan?
Magnet.
Ref magnet. How about you? Oh, ito, Bone GCC.
I love
Oh.
Bahrain.
Ayan.
Because
oh.
Bahrain is my love.
Ay?
Because you found love in Bahrain.
Wow.
30 dirham.
Hmm.
I can make one.
What?
I'll give it to you and to Claire.
Naka-vlog tayo ah. It's okay. O kay Claire.
Hi, Claire.
Sige. Oh, ano naman yan? Sige nga, sukat mo. Oh, ay. Pak. Oh. Ganda. Oh, kulay.
What color do you want?
Ganda naman ang tindera nyo.
Madam, what do you want?
I want
Large,
everything.
small,
Extra
medium?
small.
Extra small. Apo, dinner only, madam.
Ah, free. Galit na yun si madam.